If you run a home service business, then you probably already know this problem. A new lead comes in from your website, Google LSA, Yelp, Thumbtack, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, a missed call, anywhere that you're investing your marketing budget. And by the time someone on your team sees it, responds to it, or follows up, that customer may have already moved on to the next company. And that problem right there is exactly what LeadTruffle is built to fix. I'm Brian. I'm the co-founder and CEO of LeadTruffle. And in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how LeadTruffle helps home service businesses respond to new leads instantly, continue the conversation automatically, capture missed calls, and make it easier to turn more of your leads into booked jobs without your team having to manually chase every single lead. So let's jump into that now. Before I dive into the product and show you exactly how the app works, I do want to set the stage quickly to explain what LeadTruffle is and exactly how it works. Now, if I had to summarize what LeadTruffle is in a picture in one sentence, it would be more leads turned into booked jobs, and show you this picture right here. To keep it simple, this is it. You got leads coming in from many different places, a little bit unorganized, maybe slow to respond. LeadTruffle is going to help you organize those leads and ultimately turn more of them into booked jobs. That is what we do. Now, in terms of how LeadTruffle works, this diagram right here sums it up perfectly. LeadTruffle sits across all of the lead sources that you care most about as a home service business owner, including your phone, website, lead aggregators like Yelp, Thumbtack, AngieList, Modernize, and more, as well as your ad platforms like Google Local Services ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and many, many more. We will make sure that anytime a lead comes in from one of those channels, we are instantly replying over whichever channel makes the most sense. So, for example, if someone calls you, our AI voice as well as texting can handle that inquiry. For things like Thumbtack, we're going to message them through the Thumbtack app. For things like Yelp, message them through Yelp, text, email, etc. The main four channels we focus on are voice, email, SMS, and then in-app messaging. And then the last piece of the puzzle here, guys, is booking that appointment into your CRM with real-time availability. As of today, we have integrations with Housecall Pro, Jobber, ServiceTitan, JobNimbus, JobTread. I think I'm going to forget a few. We got about 5 or 10 more. There's a bunch of them out there, and we have integrations so that these leads are automatically put onto the calendar in your CRM. Now, with that, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the product so I can show you a bit about how LeadTruffle works. Now, this isn't going to be an exhaustive demo by any means, but more of a general overview, a 101, so you can get a little bit of a sense about how LeadTruffle works. So you get to LeadTruffle by going to LeadTruffle app in your web browser. Now, we do have a mobile shortcut that you can take on the go with you at any time. We know most of our customers are not sitting at their desk all day like I might be, so we do have a mobile version that you can take with you anywhere that you go, view your messages, respond to customers, all of that. Now, in terms of the app, we work with you during the onboarding and setup process to help customize and train the AI specific to your business. And then once that's all set up, really the main focus for most of our customers is this unified inbox where you're going to see all of the leads and all of the conversations coming in from all of your different lead sources. So in this example here, we got leads coming in from Yelp, Thumbtack, AngieList, website, phone, you name it. And here's a good example of a conversation where a lead came in from Yelp, the AI responded, had a back and forth based on this exact business's criteria, their pricing, all the information about who they are and what they do, culminating in a appointment booked directly into Housecall Pro, which we can see here. If I look down the right sidebar, I'm going to have all of the information that I got from Yelp initially, as well as any new information the AI was able to gather. I have my statuses here, which I can set to mark with myself or my team where this lead may be in the life cycle. I can assign the lead out, I can leave notes, and I can see the CRM event booked here as well. Now, guys, anytime messaging is happening through LeadTruffle, it will also be logged directly into the lead platform of choice. So Yelp, Thumbtack, LSA, and more. All the messaging in LeadTruffle will also be logged there. Now, the goal of the AI is not to wholesale replace you or your team. While the AI can, of course, take the conversation from lead submitted to appointment booked, at any time, you can come into LeadTruffle and turn off the AI using something called human takeover, which allows you to pause the AI, message back and forth directly with the lead or customer, and then you can turn the AI back on if you need to step away from your phone or computer. In addition to that, guys, it's not not just one channel. If we want to go ahead and start texting this lead, we can do that here. We can also use what's called click to call to immediately call this lead through our system. So on top of the initial AI auto response through Yelp messaging, we also do have different channels you can use from a manual or automatic perspective to help book more of these leads and turn them into jobs on your calendar. Same thing applies to a system like Google LSA, where once the lead comes in, our system is immediately responding and getting all of that good information, ultimately working towards booking them in the CRM, or in the case of this example here, sending them a booking link for them to self-book. Totally up to you and how your business operates. In addition to all of the lead aggregators and ads platforms, we do have solutions for things like your website as well. So down here in the lower right-hand corner, we have what's called our website texting widget, which will pop up, and you can put in your name and phone number as a lead and get an immediate two-way AI conversation beginning over text message. Let me show you a quick example here. We use this all the time for our own business, so I'll go ahead and submit my information, hit send, and now I will wait from the text from the AI, which I've now received here on my phone. I can pop that open. Hey, Brian, thanks for reaching out to LeadTruffle. What type of business do you run or work for? I run a heating and cooling business. And now the AI will process that and respond. And again, this is our agent for our business. Tons of our customers use this every day for their home services company as well. These agents are fully customized to your specific business. So of course, this will be asking whatever questions you need to know before you go ahead and book that lead in. A couple other pieces here for the LeadTruffle platform, and then I'll get into showing you how our AI can handle the phones for you, is this leads board here. So this is where you can set custom statuses and have a really nice visual overview as to where your leads are in the life cycle. So we do have some default statuses here, but of course you can modify them to be totally custom and then drag and drop the leads over to whatever status you need them to be, drag them back, and really get that nice visual workflow board for you and your team so you can stay on top of each lead. For every single one of our channels, whether it be texting, email, Yelp, Thumbtack, LSA, you name it, we also do have comprehensive follow-up. So if a lead comes in, you message them once and they don't reply, you don't have to wait for your team or for you to personally remember to go follow up. You can set automatic follow-ups here in LeadTruffle so you continue to ping that lead until it's clear that they either don't need your services or you can go ahead and win that job. Now, last piece here on the product before I dive into the voice side of things is training the AI. I won't go super deep here because it's its own whole probably video, but we do work closely with you to make sure that number one, your AI knowledge base is fully configured. So that's who you are, product, services, pricing information, as well as your service area. That's the main piece to make sure that this is configured so that the AI knows all about your business. We start by scraping your website and then help you build it out. And then for each individual channel, let's just use Yelp for an example, there is a prompt that tells the AI exactly what to do. So think of the AI knowledge base as the context for the agent, and then the Yelp instructions here as the directions for what the Yelp agent should do with your Yelp leads. And with all of our channels, you guys can test and conversate with the AI directly in the platform to make sure it's working exactly the way you want. We also have our own internal chatbot, kind of like a chat GPT internal to LeadTruffle that you can use to ask questions about your data for analytics, as well as help you update the AI to say, hey, we changed our fee to come out from $99 to $149. Can you make sure that's updated in the AI? And then Wilbur, our AI chat, can help you with that. Now, finally, guys, let's get into the voice side of things. Of course, the phone is probably the number one channel for all home services businesses, and everyone's talking about how to use AI for the phones. And we at LeadTruffle have a specific solution that we've built over time that we think really is a happy medium because, yeah, AI voice is great, but not everyone wants to talk to it all the time. So we help you configure a customized AI voice agent that gives your callers options and then can also help book them into the service directly in your CRM. So the way we have our set up is you can configure this, but what we recommend is having the AI offer options at the start of the call to the caller, such as, hey, do you want to continue over text? Would you rather just leave a message and get a call back? Or if you want, then yeah, we can go ahead and have you talk to an AI. And that way the folks who opt into talking to the AI are more comfortable and patient with it. And folks are like, hey, I don't really want to talk to AI. No worries. We'll just shoot you a text or we'll give you a call back. So I'm going to give the AI agent a call here so you guys can see how it works in real time.
For calling Brian's Heating and Cooling, I'm the virtual assistant and I can help you in 3 ways. Send you a text to continue by message, take a message so the team can call you back, help you right now with a new service request.
I don't really like talking to AI. Can you just text me?
I understand. I'll send you a text text right away, so you can continue by message.
Okay, thank you. Now I got my text, guys. Thanks for calling, Brian. No problem. You can also book service. Okay, I need help with my AC units. So that is a great option for people who maybe don't want to talk to AI. They can go ahead and continue over text. And from what we've seen, a lot of people are more willing to engage over text message. For other folks who don't want to text or talk to AI, they can just leave a message and get a call back. And now I'll call back and show you how the AI agent can book new service.
Thanks for calling Brian's Heating and Cooling. I'm the virtual assistant, and I can help you in 3 ways. Send you a text to continue by message, take a message so the team can call you back, or help you right now with a new service request. What would you like to do?
Yeah, I need help now with new service, please.
Great. I can help you with a new service request. What service do you need help with today?
Yeah, so my AC, I have a window AC unit in my office and it is not cooling.
I understand your window AC unit isn't cooling. I can help you schedule service. What's your first and last name?
My name's Brian Shankman and my address is 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas, 78723.
Thanks, Brian. I have your address as 123 Main Street in Austin, Texas 78723. When are you hoping for service?
Yeah, whatever your next available is, your next available appointment.
Perfect. I can book you for tomorrow morning between 8 o'clock and 10 a.m. for your AC cooling issue at 123 Main Street in Austin. Does that time window work for you?
Yeah, that'll work. Thank you. Is there any fee for you guys to come out?
Yes. There's a $99 estimate fee. If you choose to move forward with the work, that fee is applied toward the service.
Okay, sounds good.
Great. You're all set for tomorrow morning between 8 o'clock and 10 a.m. for your AC cooling issue at 123 Main Street in Austin. The team will reach out if they need anything else.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope. Thank you. All right, guys. So that is that. I also got a text here. If I want to book service through the link, I can get that mid-conversation and then also get my booking confirmation text as well. Now back in the LeadTruffle dashboard here, we can see the full conversation history for that call I just placed, including an AI summary of the call. I can copy the entire call transcript if needed, as well as listen to the entire call recording. And last but not least, we do have that finalized confirmation text going out to the customer saying, hey, thanks for calling. Your appointment is booked, and that text, as well as any of the other text follow-ups, are fully customizable. Last piece here with the AI voice, guys, is that warm transfer where the AI can transfer a call at any time if needed. It will then give a summary of who the caller is and why they're calling to that CSR or yourself as an owner or admin at the business. And then the human can choose to pick that up. Also a great option there for AI voice. And that, guys, is LeadTruffle 101. If you're still with me, thank you for watching. Up here on the screen, I have some real case studies with real businesses showing the real results that we've driven for them. This is at leadtruffle.co/customers. You can go and check this out. I'll also put it in the video description below. If you like what you saw and you want to learn more about LeadTruffle, you can book a demo with us anytime. Come up here to the Talk to Us button, as well as just shoot an email directly to me, Brian, Bryan, at leadtruffle.com. And thank you so much for watching.